Thanks for stopping by and happy St. Valentine's Day. I hope today you celebrate this day with your dear ones, with your loved ones, with your family, your friends, your crafty friends, etc, etc, etc. And if you're new to my channel, I am Karina, and this is a paper craft and also an organizational channel. If you're interested in watching this type of videos, just click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. In today's video, I am going to show you my St. Valentine's last minute paper crafts. Yeah, I was crafting like a mad person on Tuesday, and I'm going to show you what I made. I'm going to flip my camera so you can see the projects. I will be right back. Okay, I am here and I have this baggie. These are my last minute St. Valentine goodies, things that I put together for some people. So let's review. The first one. Oh, I just follow Bona's tutorial. I will leave the link in the description box below. These are like so gorgeous. They are like boxes, and I have here a chocolate, and I use the photo play stickers and papers, and isn't this cute? Very cute. I made this other one. It's like more like mail type of treat boxes. Not that girly. Then I just came up with these sort of envelopes. I've been watching a couple of YouTube videos, and I'm like, I want something that is easy and simple to make. So I made tons of these. So it's an envelope with a Velcro, and inside I have a Ghirardelli chocolate, and I just use my crepe paper, La La Love washi tape, simple, and then a white foamy heart. So I made 3 of these type of envelopes. I also use my punch like to round the corners, and again more foamy hearts, and just came up something really quick, nothing elaborated, no SVG files. No, I didn't use my Cricut. It was just a plain cutting, paper, and I love this one. I use this sticky from the Paper House or Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. Isn't this cute? And again, I have the chocolate here, so I made 3, 3, and 2. And then I made this loaded envelope. It's most of goodies, like for a 10-year-old girl, and I repurposed this bow. I received in one of my swaps last summer. This other one, I glue them together. I used a couple of collections. I had this baggie that I bought, You Are My Person. I didn't put anything on the back. And then my famous Walmart trim. This is from Pebbles, a couple of cut aparts, and then the XOXO from crepe paper La La Love, and I put together this mini one, something plain and simple. And then inside I'm giving her, of course, a Dollar Tree rings, Dollar Tree stamps, the La La Love clip, couple of foamy hearts, stickies from Recollections. I'm giving her one of these baggies that I got from one of my pen pals, and these are more Dollar Tree stickies, Dollar Tree pencils, and I use a ribbon that I bought at Michael's. More Dollar Tree stickies, and these are Dollar Tree stickers that I cut them to fit them in this baggie. And on the back, these are tags that I bought at Target, I believe 2 years ago, and use a topper, some doilies, a flower, a glitter heart. So something easy and simple to make, no elaborated things, because this goes for a 10-year-old girl. So and I'm gonna put this here. Okay, so this is a loaded bag. Let's take a look one more time. And then at the dollar spot at Target, I bought these 2 baggies, and again, only goodies, nothing handmade, because this is going to 5-year-old girls. So again, you know, more stickies, pencils from Dollar Tree, foamy hearts, more Dollar Tree stickies, and stamps, and the rings. So both, they contain the same easy last minute things to do, to work for some Valentines. My last minute projects. If you like this video, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share this video with any of your friends and family. And if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.